Roasting grape tomatoes in the oven is so easy to do. Let's get started with preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Then let's wash the tomatoes and cut them in half. Now let's get a baking tray and line it with parchment paper. Then let's put the cut tomatoes on the baking tray. And now let's season them. Pour extra virgin olive oil over the tomatoes. Then let's season it with sea salt and dried oregano. Now let's mix the tomatoes so that they are all evenly coated. Then let's turn the tomatoes cut side up and place in the preheated oven on the middle rack for about 30 minutes. Then let's remove the tray from the oven and turn the tomatoes over. Place the tray back in the oven for about another 10 minutes. Once they are done, let's put them in a bowl to serve and add some fresh basil. Check out our next video for more easy recipes. Buon appetito!